How to fix calls dropping or failing on Android. This tutorial shows you how to troubleshoot and resolve call issues on your Android device. First, check your signal strength at the top of your screen. If you have low bars, toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh your network connection. After that, if the issue persists, press and hold the power button and tap Restart to reboot your device. From there, open Settings and tap on Connections, then tap on Mobile Networks. At this point, make sure your network mode is set to Auto Connect or LTE to keep you on the strongest available signal. In the next step, go back to Connections and make sure Wi-Fi calling is enabled to improve call quality in low signal areas. Following this, go to General Management, then Reset, and tap Reset Network Settings to clear any network configuration issues. Finally, go to the Google Play Store and check for any pending software updates and install them, as these often include fixes for call-related issues. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you fix your dropping calls, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.